Hey, what's up, everyone? It is your girl George A, your number one go-to girl for beauty and lifestyle essentials, offering you tips, reviews, and tutorials. Today, I'm going to give you an awesome glossy eyeshadow look that you can rock to any event. If you're going out with your friends, out with the girls, if you're doing, if you're doing a date with the boo, this is a really cool and sexy trend, if I may say, that I really enjoy because the application is just so smooth, sis. It is like the one and only. So I'm gonna ask you to sit tight, relax, and enjoy the tutorial because we're about to get straight on into it. But before we get into it, I'm gonna ask you for one tiny, teeny, weeny little favor, which is to click on that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when content like this is out, guys. And while we're at it, you can also go check out my social media handles, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and you'll be getting all of my exclusive straight to you.
Hey everyone, it's your girl George A, and I'm doing this voiceover style. I didn't want to get caught up explaining while doing my makeup. So you see that real cute color that I'm pointing to? Yeah, that's gonna be our eyeshadow color for today. And right now I'm applying it on my eyelid just below my crease, and I'm doing it carefully and building up the pigment just so that I can have control over how much pigment I want for this look today. Also take note that while I'm applying my eyeshadow, I'm stopping at where my eye ends. I don't want to go over where my eye ends, or else the application will just be very tricky and technical. Okay, so right now I'm now extending my eyeshadow onto my crease. Like I said before, this is so that you can have control over where your eyeshadow is going, because it can get really technical when you start applying your gloss. Make sure you blend it out nicely and evenly, because once you have the gloss on, you can't I forgot what I wanted to say. You can't blend it. Okay, so here is my lip gloss. Yeah, I use lip gloss for my lids, boo, and I use a clear lip gloss to be more specific, because that way the color of the eyeshadow can shine through. I then take my concealer brush and I dab it into my lid, because if you start rubbing on your eyelids with the shadow on and you got the gloss on your concealer brush, it's just gonna make a mess and you won't be able to have control over it. So you can have fun with it right now. Once you have enough gloss on your eyeshadow, you can either leave it where you put it, or you can extend the eyeshadow out more so that you can have a more dramatic glossy eyeshadow look. Like what I'm doing here is I'm extending it out from my inner corner going out into my outer corner. And there you have it. Once you're happy with your one eye, you can move on to your next.
is it from me, your girl George A. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. This, like I said earlier, this is my favorite eyeshadow look. Is my tongue orange? My tongue is orange. But yeah, this is my favorite tutorial that well, not tutorial, but makeup look that I like to rock. It's cool, it's fun, and it's popping. I think like not many people are out there doing it. Usually it's the cut crease, which by the way, I'm like super hyped about it, you know, or you know, a basic blend. People are either doing a cut crease or they're blending their shadows, but you don't have to only stick to those basics. Not that I'm saying they are basics, but there are many trends for you to try, and this one is it. So let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if maybe you're gonna go out and try it, or maybe you're about to try it, or maybe you have tried it. Let me know if it's for you, or if it's not for you, sis. I need to know. I have to know so that I can keep on creating the content that you want me to give to you. But for now, your girl George A gonna be saying bye.